Intro. Hey everyone. Welcome to Gadget Shorts. Today, we're checking out the vegetable slicer and spiralizer, an all-in-one kitchen tool that makes meal prep a breeze. Features: with 7 easy to-change inserts, you can chop, slice, and spiralize veggies effortlessly. Perfect for making broad ribbons or thin spirals. Performance: the 420 stainless steel blades are rust-resistant and razor-sharp, ideal for dicing potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more. Plus, the soft grip handle gives you great control, convenience. The non-skid rubberized bottom keeps it steady, and the catch tray prevents mess. It's dishwasher safe and BPA free, making cleanup a snap. Conclusion: whether you're a novice or a pro, this vegetable slicer and spiralizer is a must-have. It's versatile, durable, and backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Thanks for watching Gadget Shorts.